Hi. Hi, thank you all for coming. My name is Jose Casanueva from Electronic Identification, and our company is a leading provider in Europe for identification and authentication services for financial institutions, among others, online. The thing is, we have come here to solve a trendy problem, which is remote relationship with customers. Now, either in mobile, from home, or from anywhere, we can help. We have a strong experience in Europe and Latin America with more than 70 customers, like those you are seeing there. And now, since 2018, we have developing operations here in Japan. We have participated in Entity Data Innovation Contest finals and also on Tokyo Metropolitan Government FinTech Business Camp. The thing is, why all those companies have chosen our services? What do we do? We have developed VideoID. VideoID is the first and only solution that identifies yourself by video and our patented algorithm online with the same level of technical security and legal compliance as face-to-face identification. Let me show you how this works. Now, this that you are seeing here is our interface for doing demos online. This is our web demo. We have as well SDKs for performing the identification in mobile devices like smartphones, Android, iOS. This time I'm gonna use my ID card from Spain, which is the country I come from, but we could use this technology with a Japanese ID card or passport. Sorry, Japanese driver's license or passport. Let's go for it.
Please show the front side of your document. Fit the front of the document into the highlighted area. Hold the document in that position. Well done. Please show the back side of your document. Fit the back of the document into the highlighted area. Bring your identity document closer. Well done. Please look to the camera to scan your face. Stay in that position. Smile to the camera, please. Well done.
So as simple as this, we have performed 4 steps in a row in one single video recording, which is doing the OCR for extracting the information for the security, the ID document, looking for the security features present on this document, doing the biometrics comparison between the photograph and the face of the user, in this case me, and obviously liveness detection performed by this gesture and smiling that our bossy assistant has asked us to do. So here you can see my personality card, number, date of birth, address, some security checks like the document is not expired, not underage, data is data integrity check. You can see all of those features on the site as well. It's not a photocopy, and captures of the document with the visual features identified, chip, signature, photograph, flag. All of this allows us to assess that the document seems valid. In addition, you have the full proof of this process on the video recording here.
Please show the front side of your.
So if there's any trouble, you have this proof to witness any trouble. Now, imagine the following. You are an electronic payments company, and you have just onboarded a new user, Jose Casanueva, on your system. But you want to offer, for instance, cashless payments, which is a trend in Japan, as you know. So how can you provide this? We can help you on that with our authentication service, Smile ID. So with the information previously extracted and the face of the user, we can perform a new authentication step.
Get a little closer to the camera.
Okay.
Smile to the camera, please. Smile to the camera, please. Smile to the camera, please. Stay in that position.
Okay. It seems like I'm not smiling enough. I'm not happy enough today, but let's try again. I'm confident this time I'll be smiling soon as enough as.
Get a little closer to the camera. Smile to the camera. Stay in that position. Well done.
So the point here is doing this gesture enough to prove that you are alive. You're not a photograph, and being sure that the person is the one which should be. So with this, placing, for instance, a camera on shops, on restaurants, as you probably have seen already with all providers, you can have this cashless payment implemented. Let's get back, if you allow me, to our presentation. Now, with this simple user experience, what differentiates us among other competitors as well? We can provide not only video identification, but picture solutions, video conference, and even NFC for IC chip reading. The thing is, we can provide you compliancy for any place in the world. We can adapt ourselves to all of regulations. So if you are thinking on expansion, we are your partners. Oops. Our service is provided by cloud. It works on AWS and Azure already, and we have as well this RESTful API for JavaScript and websites and SDKs for devices, as I told you before. Now, this was a video just in case something wasn't working, and that we have now some use cases that those you are seeing here. Online onboarding, customer onboarding, cryptocurrencies, or cashless payments. But basically, you can use this for any service that needs online identification. Thank you very much for your assistance, and come to see us.
Thank you, Jose.